County in west central Pennsylvania until 4:15 p.m. At 3:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles northeast of Indiana, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles per hour and quarter-size hail. Source, radar. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Indiana, Clymer, Chevy Chase Heights, Ernest, Marion Center, Cherry Tree, Creekside, Plumville, Glen Campbell, Dixonville, Commodore, Rochester Mills. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.